everybody. Thank you for coming back and joining me for another science experiment. Today I thought we would try the disappearing eggshell. Yep, you heard me right, the disappearing eggshell. So this science experiment only requires 3 items. The most important is your raw egg, a masonry jar with its insert and lid, and white vinegar. So the very first step that we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of white vinegar inside our masonry jar. And then we're going to carefully slip our egg inside the masonry jar. And then we're going to put a little bit more vinegar inside. I'm actually going to fill it to the line here. And then I'm going to put that aside. And before I seal it, I would like you to take a really close look at the egg. And if you look really closely, and maybe you can even see it from the top. You want to come to the top? What do you see happening to the egg? I'm listening for everybody's answer. Now, if you said bubbles, you're absolutely right. The egg is covered in bubbles. Why? Because the vinegar is dissolving the eggshell little by little. And because eggshells contain calcium carbonate, which is the main ingredient in antacid tablets, it's going to dissolve in the acidic vinegar. So what we're going to do now is we're going to carefully, we're just going to slightly seal the jar. We don't want to seal it too much because carbon dioxide is going to be developing inside the jar, and we don't want any problems there. And we will come back in 24 hours. So tomorrow, same time, we will look at our egg and we'll see whether or not the eggshell around the egg has been fully dissolved by the vinegar. See you then. Hello, everybody. It is in the evening after we started this science experiment for the disappearing eggshell. So I wanted just to share with you quickly what it looks like right now after so many hours. So if my daughter would come a little closer. So if you look through the side here, do you see all those bubbles that are working away? The vinegar has created those bubbles against the eggshell, which is made out of calcium. And then if you look on top, do you see all those bubbles working away? So hopefully tomorrow morning, we'll see that the eggshell around this egg has disappeared. Hello friends, welcome back. As you recall, about 24 hours ago, we did a science experiment called the dissolving eggshell. It's been 24 hours, and so let's take a look and see what happened. Well, if you look closely, you'll see that the egg has lots and lots of little bubbles around it, and that's because the vinegar is eating away at the eggshell. So let's dump it and see what happened. So if you look closely, you'll see that the eggshell is gone. The egg is squishy, like a bouncy ball. Although I don't recommend you trying to bounce it like a bouncy ball because it'll splatter everywhere because it is still a raw egg. The skin is smooth and it's a little opaque, a little off-white. And there you have it, the disappearing eggshell. All right, friends. I hope you enjoyed this science experiment. See you next time. Bye-bye.